We are back with another comparison video.
Hikoco.
Hi beauties! Welcome back to Hikoco's channel. Today we will be focusing on the most popular brands at Hikoco, Brown Lab. More specifically, we will be closely looking at Brown Lab 1025 Dokdo Cleanser, Brown Lab Birch Juice Moisturising Cleanser, which has just landed at Hikoco. How did they compare? Let's take a look together. So, what is Brown Lab? To briefly explain this brand Brown Lab, it was founded in 2017. So it's still fairly a new brand, but it has gained a lot of attractions from many of beauties around the world, especially in the social media. For their formulas, they are very low irritations while still being very effective. We usually recommend this brand to our beauties with sensitive skin. Let's take a look at the similarities. Number 1. They are both very mild and gentle. They have both completed a skin irritation test according to Brown Lab. Also, it do not contain any potentially harmful ingredients such as paraben, alcohol, and any fragrance. Many of their main ingredients are natural raw materials sourced straight from the earth. Number 2. These cleansers are both low pH cleanser. As you can see from their official advertisement, they are emphasizing low pH cleanser, which means it gently cleanses the skin while maintaining the skin's natural pH level of around 5.0 to 6.0. What this also means, it balances the oil level and the water level to your skin. It will keep your skin to be moisturized without giving the tightening feeling right after washing your face. So low pH cleanser can be used even in the day and night time. And the low pH cleanser is perfect to pair with any other oil cleanser to do the deep cleansing. It's the second step of cleansing step. Sounds like they're a perfect daily cleanser for anyone who has a sensitive and irritated skin. Let's take a look at the main ingredients. So I'm going to start with the Dokdo cleanser. This award-winning cleanser contains deep sea water sourced from the coast of where Dokdo Island is located and is very rich in minerals. It also includes ultra-moisturizing ingredients such as 3 different types of hyaluronic acid, ceramide, pentanol, and allantoin to give the skin a hydration boost while soothing and strengthen the skin barrier. Brown Lab Birch Juice Moisturizing Cleanser. This product has 10,000 ppm of birch juice. Birch juice is derived from the sap of these trees and are known to be full of amino acids, antioxidants, and minerals to retain moisture and protect the skin barrier. The other main ingredients of this cleanser include what Brown Lab calls vitamin hyaluronic acid, which is a combination of moisturizing ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and sodium hyaluronate, and some skin brightening ingredients such as vitamin C and citric acid. It also contains an all-time favorite soothing ingredient, maggot extract. Not for super sensitive skin. While these cleansers are free of fragrances, please keep in mind that it contains the essential oil. Let's take a look at the texture and scent. Let's take a look at the Dokdo cleanser first. I'd like to describe this texture as a whipped cream. It's very dense and very chewy, which will help to really bond to the dirt or oil from my deep pores. It lathers well in the hands nicely into a creamy form. So I think even just a small amount should be enough for your entire face. As you rub it in, more foam will create. The Dokdo cleanser scent is a bit similar to the scent of soap. Let's move on to the Brown Lab Birch Sap Juice Moisturizing Cleanser. Unlike the Dokdo cleanser, this cleanser is a gel type, so it won't feel as creamy on the face when you're applying, which some people might prefer. The gel type cleanser is a crystal clear, but once you rub it in, it's starting to forming up. It's also very light in weight, which is why it's especially popular in product market for oily skin types. Due to the presence of essential oils in these products, they both do have a slight natural scent, but it's not overpowering at all. How to use these cleansers? Simply take a pea-sized amount and then lather it up by rubbing it in your hands. The Dokdo cleanser will produce more of a thick form, while the Birch Juice cleanser will produce a lighter, bubbly form. Massage over the entire face. Rinse off with lukewarm water. As I mentioned before, if you use the oil cleanser to remove the makeup. You use this cleanser after that. Here are my final thoughts. So the main difference is the consistency of these two products. If you are still trying to decide which one is for you, I recommend the Dokdo cleanser for more mature, dry, sensitive, acne skin, and the Birch Juice moisturizing cleansers for oily, combination and acne skin, especially for oily dehydrated skin like mine. Both are good for sensitive skin. The reason for making this comparison video is we've got a lot of questions from our beauties and they asked what's the main difference between these two products and what is the best product for their skin. These two can be a great option for someone who's looking for the gentle cleanser for everyday use that has extra moisturizing benefits with mild ingredients. Cleansing is the most important step of the whole skincare routine. If you don't cleanse properly and you apply really expensive serums and moisturizer, it does not work. We hope today's comparison video helped you to understand about these two different products. And if you have any further questions on these products, please leave the comment down below. And tell us what would you like us to compare for next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!